Ready to explore Hong Kong's diverse shopping districts? Look no further than our interactive map that will guide you through 7 must-visit shopping destinations. Whether you're a luxury brand enthusiast, a bargain hunter, or an intrepid explorer, Hong Kong has something extraordinary for everyone. Causeway Bay, the shopper's mecca, Sogo department store, a 13-floor retail paradise. Times Square, home to over 230 shops and restaurants. Fashion Walk, a hub for fashion-forward shoppers. Pro tip, visit during the summer sale season for incredible discounts. Tsim Sha Tsui, luxury meets street style, Harbor City, Hong Kong's largest mall with 450-plus stores. Nathan Road, known as the Golden Mile of shopping. K11 Musea, a new cultural retail destination. Fun fact, Tsim Sha Tsui boasts the highest concentration of luxury brands in Asia. Mong Kok, bargain hunter's paradise, ladies market, trendy clothes and accessories. Sneaker Street, a haven for footwear enthusiasts. Sim City, tech lovers' paradise. Insider tip, hone your haggling skills for the best deals. Central, high fashion and hidden gems. The Landmark, designer boutiques. PMQ, hub for local designers. Tai Kwun, historic site turned lifestyle destination. Fun fact, top fashion houses debut their collections in Central. Sham Shui Po, DIY heaven. Aplu Street Flea Market, electronics and vintage finds. Keelung Street, Bead Paradise. Nam Cheong Street, Fabric Wonderland. Did you know? Local designers source materials from Sham Shui Po. Wan Cha, where old meets new. Computer Center, tech lovers dream. Star Street Precinct, lifestyle stores and cafes. Tai Yuen Street, nostalgic Toy Street. Pro tip, explore the Blue House for a glimpse of old Hong Kong. Stanley, seaside shopping serenity. Stanley Market, souvenirs, handicrafts, silk garments. Murray House, Victorian-era building with shops and restaurants. Waterfront promenade, perfect for a post-shopping stroll. Fun fact, Stanley was once a pirate's den in the 1800s. Frequently asked questions, best shopping times, Chinese New Year and summer sales. Transportation, efficient MTR system, Star Ferry, double-decker trams, credit cards widely accepted, tax-free shopping with no sales tax, safety tips for shopping in Hong Kong. Now armed with this guide, embark on your Hong Kong shopping adventure and discover the city's vibrant soul through its retail wonderlands. Shop till you drop and make memories that will last a lifetime in this dazzling shopping paradise.